Welcome to my channel for a little Halloween collab tutorial. The collab is me and my pitchfork. Just kidding. We've got Lock, Shock, and Barrel. I will link lilmoonchildd's video down below and linabugz video down below, and make sure you watch them and follow them. They are incredible and talented and beautiful and amazing, and I love them. Please excuse my low energy and my funny voice right now. I am sick. I swear to God, every October I'm sick. My favorite month. It's because I have kids in school. The germs kind of just linger September, and then October they're like, hi, we're here now. If you want to look cute and creepy and put Santa Claus in a bag with me, then keep watching. First, I'm going to prep my skin with the Milk Watermelon Brightening Serum. I love this stuff. It feels so hydrating. And then my henrikson Brightening Cream. Next, I'm going to prime with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Concealer in Fair 02, and I'm going to cover my face. Put a little bit on my neck. Now I'm going to go in and set this with the ColourPop Translucent Powder. It might make it slightly darker, but we can fix that. First, using my sponge, I'm going to set under my eye. You can see it has a bit of a yellow tint. And then in with a brush to set the rest of it. We're going to do our shading with powder, so this needs to be set with powder or it's just going to get really difficult and muddy and yucky. I always bust this out at Halloween time. This is the Lunatick Cosmetic Labs palette. It's got really good grays and this white's excellent. It's just a really good Halloween time palette. I'm just picking up some of the white and kind of pressing it in so we can get that really bright white back. Now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna pick up this gray, mix with a little bit of this gray. I'm just gonna shade the sides of my face because he's got a really long, skinny head. I'm gonna shade right here down towards my chin. He's got a really pointy chin, so I'm gonna try and make mine look a little bit pointier. Also shading that down under my chin. I'll also go in and highlight my chin to amp up that chin illusion a little bit. Now I'm going to go into the nose using the same two grays. His nose is like a triangle. I'm gonna do really straight lines all the way down my nose. And I'm bringing it all the way down the side of my nose and then up into kind of a triangle shape. And then I'll bring that across the bottom. It's definitely not subtle. It's also really flat between his eyes, so I'm gonna go in and shade there. I'm also gonna bring this over into the corner of the eye, which will kind of give the illusion that my eyes are a little bit closer together. I'm gonna go into the white and highlight this area. I'm gonna go back in and darken these sides here to really give that illusion that the nose is coming out from right there. He's also got really triangular nostrils, so I'm gonna go in with my liquid liner and just bring my nostrils up into a point. I'm gonna go in and just deepen the contour a little bit. I'm gonna bring this farther over because he is kind of gray. He's not like stark white. Moving on to the eyebrows. My eyebrows are gonna match my red hair. I've got two red lip liners here, both by NYX. This is Red Tape and this is Dark Red. So first I'm going in with Red Tape, which is a lighter red. I'll give myself a nice round eyebrow. And then into the deeper red. I'll darken up the tail with that. Give it a little bit more definition. And clean it up a little bit because his eyebrows are on point. Perfect. Back into this palette for the eyes. I'm gonna grab the gray, any gray would work. And I'm just gonna start shading around the eyes. Just a nice smoky eye. Glam. Keeping the lid blank and the lower lash line blank. His upper lid is kind of a peachy pink color, so I'm going to use a lipstick. This is Doll Up by Sugarpill. I just put some on the back of my hand and then paint my lid with that. And then I'm going to go into, not with that brush, the Swear By It palette from NYX. I'm just going to press some orange shadow on top. And then a little bit of pink on top. To get that perfect peachy color. This area here is a lavender purple color, so I'm going to use Sugar Rush Vivid Bright from NYX. I'm going to set it with Soul from the Norvina palette, and I'm going to mix this with a little bit of white. And pack that on top. And then I'm going to go in with the Linda Hallberg Cool Mood pencil, and I'm going to kind of outline this. Give it some dimension, and then just kind of soften that with a brush. Back into this palette and into this dark gray. I'm gonna go back down here and darken the shading under this part of my eye. Now this kind of looks like it's coming forward. It looks kind of puffy like his does, and I'm gonna do the same to the upper lid. Taking that deep red lip liner that I used on my eyebrow, I'm gonna line my eye. And I'm also going to do it right in the crease as well. His eyeballs are actually yellow, mine are not. I'm gonna go in with the Linda Hallberg Happy Mood pencil and just add it to my waterline. I am going to glam this up a little bit and make it like a little bit pretty. I'm gonna chop up some Slayer lashes by Rouge and Rogue, and I'm going to put them on. I'm gonna do it off camera because I feel like it. I'm actually gonna pick up some black and shade around it. I'll do a little bit of that black down here too, just a little bit. I'm gonna move on to his little crooked, creepy smile with the sharp teeth. I'm gonna sketch it out really lightly first with the shadow. Bring this side up a little bit higher than the other side. Now I'm gonna use the Keke liquid lipstick from the Sugarpill Little Twin Stars collab and apply my lipstick. It's not the perfect blue. His are kind of a baby blue, but I thought it would be a good base because I don't actually have a lipstick that color. Now I'm gonna draw in some pointy teeth. Oh my god, it tickles so bad. Nom 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 nom. Now I'm gonna fill in around the teeth with black. This is the NYX That's the Point liner. Super sketchy. And it's working fantastically. At this stage, I'm not worried about it being perfect. We still have to fix the color of the lip, paint the teeth white, and then we'll go back in with black if we need to cut any lines, touch anything up. Just really like to get down a base so I can see what I'm doing. Getting scary! All right, to get this lip color a light blue, I'm first gonna go over it with white. I just realized I have the most perfect blue in one of the Hank and Henry alter ego kits. Hello! This is the Nympho kit. Oh my god, it's perfect! I'm gonna go in with the NYX liquid white liner. Paint my teeth. And then back in with the black liquid liner. Just to clean everything up. Make those teeth really sharp. Next, I'm gonna do a little bit of shading around the mouth just to give it a little bit more dimension so it's not super flat. Back into this gray shade. And we'll just add a shadow around the bottom of the mouth. And then I'm going to shade the bottom of the top lip, just above the teeth. And then I'm going to add a highlight. And the top lip. Add a little bit of shading to the top, but I'm leaving a space between the top lip and the shading. My phone's ringing. Hey, hey, hey. I'm gonna add a little highlight between the lip and the shadow to give it like a little bit of a lip? To give the lip a lip? I don't know how to explain it, I'm sorry. Only gonna add mascara to the lashes where I put the lashes. You can't see my blonde lashes in front of them, but I'm not gonna add mascara to the other spots. I wanna keep it kind of open so you can see the eye look. All right, I'm gonna throw on my hair and I'm going to have a look. I always find that once you put the wig on and accessorize, you can kind of see what you're missing. So let's do that. You know I've got that red Annabelle's wig on deck. I've been saving it for this look. I think this one might be better. Yeah, that one's better. I'm gonna go in and shade my chin a little bit darker, and I think we're done. And I love it. I feel legitimately quite cute. Luke just brought me a present that really completes my look. A pitchfork? Yes! I'm a happy girl. I would say that this is a pretty damn complete look. And honestly, a pretty easy costume. And it's cute, but still spooky. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to check out the other girls' videos. I'm just going to see my boyfriend, Mr. Oogie Boogie Man.